Okay, so this is the issue that I'm having with the Galaksija. When I first turned it on, you notice there's like a strange character over there. I don't know what it is. And when I hit enter, I finally get a cursor and I can type. You notice the characters are cut off. Okay, so now I'm going to type in 10, print B, semicolon, so the characters are beside each other, and 20, go to 10, okay, all right, see what's happening? So then when I run it, you start to see the B's come in, and you notice that the last line of B's are complete, whereas the other ones are cut off. And if I break, okay, and start hitting enter, you see the characters are broken up again, and I got this. So there seems to be a full raster of characters, and yet the timing is off. Okay, stop.